It's alive!
So we have here the eyeballs, which is we got it from the Dollar Tree, so it's just $1. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's 10 pieces. Then I cut them into like this. There you go. Am I pretty? I have an audience here and he's laughing at me. So we're supposed to buy a ball which is made of styro, but it's expensive. It's like $80.99 plus tax, so just say $20. This one is cheaper. So what will I gonna do? Put it here. I'm gonna massage. How you want it? Is this working now?
It should be.
And then I'm gonna do this. I hope I will not gonna burn myself here. Doing a DIY. Oh, it looks creepy. I can see you. And the other one. God, it's so creepy. You ready? You ready? And what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it here. So what we need to do is this. Poke it here. Gosh, it's so creepy. Like that. It's leaning. Need to put a hole here. Sorry. Scared with what I'm doing here. Let's try. Oh my god, it's so creepy. You're pretty as me. And we were gonna put some. Oh, it's dripping. Nope, 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 nope. So it will stay. Stay, okay? Sorry. Oh my god, it's so creepy. Is it straight?
Straight enough. It's a ghost. It could have any form.
There. That's all the energy I've got this today. Oh my god, it's so creepy. First, before we gonna put that one, we're gonna put some lights. Oops. It's getting messy over here. But I'm excited. Are you excited? Let's see. there. Let's see what will gonna happen here. Let's try it if I can see.